guys, I'm here in Busay and I'm checking out this new restaurant that opened here called Balay sa Busay. So this restaurant is known for its Filipino food and of course for Busay. So if you want to know more about this restaurant, watch this video.
May gabi, sir, may pag-abot sa Balay.
Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size, not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beaches, sun, put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah. Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering her faces. You know it is all lies.
So guys, so lamig tayo mong dinner today with Layla. The Cebuano vibe, the Cebuano vibe. Kumusta ba? Enjoy ka dinner today? Super.
It was so awesome. It was the food, everything.
So unsa man imong mga highlights? Which food did you like?
I really like the shrimp in buko.
Yes.
I like the
Mandungo.
Yes. First time that I tasted it, it was really good. And I also like the Lechon Tinola. You should give it a try, guys. It's something different, something unique.
Yes, there's so many delicious, very familiar flavors. Ako nalingaw sa gusto ko minisaya. Oh, but yeah, you have the twist, the flavors are good. Even to the dessert, nalingaw kay kus banana Q na alamode. Yes, ice cream. So, you're gonna enjoy the food, the view, of course, the lahir yung ambience. Yes. So thank you guys for watching. Bye. Tell them your channel. Bye.
Check out my page, that's Cebuano, and my website, that's Cebuano.com.
So if you haven't subscribed to him or liked his page, like it now. Daghan na likers. And by the way, kung wala mo naka-subscribe sa akong channel, please click subscribe and also click the notification button so that you'll know kung ako'y bagong video. And if you like this content, please share. Thank you so much for watching and see you on our next food trip. Bye!